Hi, my name is Koen, and I'd like to take you on a little trip with me, through the middle of Belgium. I left Delft behind me to cross through the south of the Netherlands. I stopped in the south of Belgium to visit family there, and I took a train back for the last part. The Netherlands, with its easy bike roads, is always a fun ride. My route led me through the city of Rotterdam, a busy city, but still, everything is very bike friendly there. I crossed the iconic Swan Bridge and headed more into the south, into the countryside. It was a warm day, and I had the wind in the back, especially out in the vast landscape. I was about to leave the Dutch countryside, with its many mills. But first I crossed some more forest and farm areas. I had to make a stop because it started to rain. Belgium is well known for its funny place names. I found a campsite in Sint-Job in het Goor. I had done 120 kilometers and I was ready to cook a good steak. Brush your teeth on the bike. Why not? I had to do 130 kilometers that day. Belgian people are very kind people. Although they sometimes don't like the Dutch, they remain very kind in their words. When I had bought a sandwich along the way, they said goodbye with the words "Merciekes," which means something like many little thank yous. After trying to do some nice camera work, I approached the city Leuven. Hoppa. I made some new friends and left them behind right away. As the day evolved into a sunshine spectacle along the river Meuse, I crossed the bridge at Dinan. The temperature reached 30 degrees Celsius that day, but I pulled through. I had reached the campsite where 3 of my favorite nieces were camping with my brother and sister. I had an awful 2 days with ugly rivers, terrible sun and ugly castles. Oh yes, and horrible canoeing, or was it a kayak?
Liviano de equipaje, porque la felicidad está dentro tuyo. Esto no es una apología de la pobreza, esto es una apología de la sobriedad.
Then it was time to leave my lovely weird family again and bike back through the countryside of Wallonia. I took the train back to Delft. I had a very interesting trip, with many different things to see. I love Belgium. I hope you liked it too. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, please.